Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about ITER Opcode. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the program in fully free format, and we have set two control option, that is no debug IO and src stmt. Below to that, I have declared one variable which is count of numeric type of size 5, and today we are discussing about the iter opcode. Okay, so here on line number 18 I am setting the value of count variable as 0. Then we are running one loop, uh, and the condition for loop is like do while count is less than equal 5. Okay, and inside the loop, firstly I'm incrementing the value by 1 because I have started my loop with 0, so that's why it become 1. Here it will become 1. Then we are checking one more condition inside the loop, like if count is equal to 3, then iter. Okay, on line number 13 26 we are using iter opcode. So what it do, like if you remember in previous session we learned about the leave opcode. So what leave do, like whenever leave condition is executed, it came directly outside from the loop. Okay, so if here in this scenario if I am using the leave opcode, so what it will do, it will check if the count become 3, so it will directly came outside the loop without looking for the further condition. But here in iter case, what it do, it only skip that particular count, and then it will check for the further condition. So what it do, like here firstly the condition is 0, count is 0, so it will go inside the loop and increment it by 1. So 1 is not equal to 3, so it will be displayed, and then it will again came to here. Then it will check for 2, 3. Once it become 3, so it will skip here the third count and directly came to the end do. Okay, so it will came directly to this end do, and again it will check for the further condition. Leave it doesn't do this. Like if we are using leave opcode, then it will not check for the further condition, but if we are using iter condition, then it will only skip that particular count, otherwise it will proceed for the further values. So let's see how it is working. So it print 1, 2, it skips the 3, but it check for the 4 and 5. This is how iter works. So this is the only difference between leave and iter. Like if we talk about leave, it terminate the loop from the same condition, but if we talk about iter, then it does not terminate the condition. It just skip that condition and then check for the further values or condition. Okay, so that's how iter opcode used. And mainly someone like mainly we can ask someone what is the main difference between the iter and leave. So the only difference is that like iter just skip the condition, whereas leave opcode can be utilized to exit from the loop. Okay, so iter and leave are the opcodes that we can use inside the loop. So whenever there is any condition in which you want to terminate the loop or you want to skip any particular condition from the loop, then in that case you can use iter or leave opcode. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn about few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.